In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get iron ore and sapphire in ice caves. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You really do need some heat and some cold protection before you are going into the frostlands and into the caves, but regardless, the caves look exactly the same as every other cave. It's just going to be in the frostlands. As you can see, I am freezing, and if I were to go in here without some things, I'm obviously going to be very cold. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make sure to have a torch just so that I can be able to see, because these caves get really dark. So I'm just going to craft a torch real quick, just like that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to